If you're watching this video, it's probably not by accident. You're either already very curious about trading, or you're working a 9-to-5 job or have different side hustles and you're tired of feeling like your money is capped no matter how hard you actually work. I'm not here to try to teach you how to trade and teach you some crazy strategy that's gonna make you rich within a 10-minute video. But what I really want to do in this video is give you guys an actual starting point that can help you get off to the right track of seeing the results that you want. Most people don't actually get into trading because of the fear of thinking that it actually won't work, the fear of thinking that they're not smart enough, the thought process of them not having enough money to even get the ball rolling, or one of the biggest things is I just simply don't know where to start. And most people who actually end up getting into trading and quit and give up on it is because they never had anything organized or step by step, and they're trying to learn the skill sets of trading from too many different places. And when you see the title of this video and I say a trading starter kit, I don't mean a strategy. I mean you actually having everything that you need all in one place so that you don't have to waste time and have the stress of actually second guessing yourself. And this is not to say that the strategies and the resources and the things that a lot of people offer are bad, terrible, not worth it, not good. And what I'm talking about is also better. But what I have come to realize is as a beginner looking to get into trading, you don't need 20 different things, 5 different strategies, and 10 different gurus to actually start to make the progress that you want. That's not really going to do anything much but confuse you and slow you down. What you truly need is the right education, tools, guidance, and a community of people that you actually can learn and grow with. When I first got into trading, it was at a point in time in my life where I was working a 9-to-5 job. I had about 5 different side hustles, doing DoorDash, Instacart, fixing iPhones, reselling sneakers, and I just kept feeling like I was trying to out hustle money. But no matter what I did, no matter how many hours I put in, no matter how hard I worked, I kept seeing the same exact paycheck, and I kept going through the cycle of making money, spending the money on bills, food, this and that, and now I'm back starting from zero. So when I made the decision that I needed to do something new in my life, I started searching the internet probably just as you're doing right now. I went to Google, I went to YouTube, and when I got to YouTube, I started figuring out that a lot of the things that people were talking about at that time back in 2020 to make money online was Amazon FBA, trading, drop shipping, a lot of different things that was very new in terms of making money online. And so I started watching all of these different videos, learning from different gurus, and the biggest problem was that I was just taking in a bunch of random information but never really had a game plan of application. I didn't know where to start. I didn't know how to put those things to use. And so this video is to give you guys a true starter kit to where you don't have to waste time watching video after video after video to find what you really need to learn. What I'm creating this video for is to give you guys a clear direction of a starting point of where you can start, so that in 2026 you are already in a winning position to have your money working for you as a trader. And after starting my journey, I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job at the age of 19 years old, and I've literally been making money online for the past 5 years from trading, investing, and online entrepreneurship. And what helped me was not some secret special strategy. It wasn't learning from the top gurus that I seen on YouTube. It was me finally having structure and people that I could actually learn with consistently. And after starting my journey, a lot of people started reaching out to me and wanting to learn and grow with me. And that is exactly why I built a community of helping individuals who are out there looking to get into trading and investing, and giving them everything that they need that helped me so that they actually can get their journey started as well. And within this community, we create an environment of what people truly need to succeed in this space. People need one place to learn, practice, and even ask questions and get support along the journey. And that's exactly why I built this community. It's for those who are complete beginners, or those who feel like they might have a little bit of experience but don't want to continue to waste time guessing, hoping, and trying out 1,000 different things. And since building this community, I've been able to travel all around the world, hosting different events and putting other people in a position to be able to make money online through day trading, investing, and entrepreneurship as well. And I can even just show you guys a quick screen screen record or some screenshots on the screen to show you some of the results that I've actually been able to help people reach in terms of getting into trading. And a lot of these people are people who found me just as strangers through YouTube, through TikTok, and other social media forums, but I was able to supply them with our complete starter kit that gives them everything that they need to succeed. A lot of people, they don't have all of the time in the world to watch super long videos, so we have short form education. A lot of people, they like hands-on interaction, so we also offer live sessions and chart markup training sessions, and even the chance to be able to earn money with those within our community. And not only just that, but we have a community that has a supportive environment for you to be able to learn, earn, and grow with other people as well. So if you are somebody who feel like this video was for you, you're tired of playing the guessing game, and you really just want to find something that can get you started to where you don't have to keep researching other things and starting from zero. So what I actually did for you guys was I created an overview video that shows you guys access to everything it is that you can have. I created an overview video that will give you guys an inside look into everything that you can have access to joining my community and being able to be mentored by myself and the other people that I've been able to help make progress as a trader. So what I want you to do is go ahead and go to the description box below, click on the overview video link, watch it, and if it's something that you feel like could personally benefit you, then go ahead and get started. And I cannot wait to see you guys on the inside within my community. But I do also want to let it be known that I have a very, very special giveaway for one of the next 10 individuals who actually get started within our community. I will be choosing one random individual who gets started from this video to actually receive $150 funded towards their live trading account to get them jump started and seeing real results. And no matter which direction you decide to go from watching this video, the biggest things I want you guys to understand is that trading takes time. And the best part about trading is it's a skill set. So once you develop the skill, it is something that you can have, keep, and hold forever. You no longer have to waste time relearning it or getting another job or starting from zero, because every time you learn and you grow as a trader, you're just building up, right? It's something that you're actually building opposed to replacing. When you're working a 9 to 5, you come in and you're giving a brand new set of 8 hours, 10 hours a day to get that new paycheck. When you're a trader, the 10 hours you put in and then the next 10 hours you put in just stacks up and stacks up and stacks up. The better you get, the more money you actually have the opportunity to make. And the next thing is structure actually matters, you guys. There's a reason why the education system starts you off at preschool to prepare you for school, kindergarten, to get you started on that next level, first grade, second grade, third grade. There are certain things that you must focus on earlier in your journey as a trader that if you don't learn it in that order, you will end up making mistakes that will cost you a lot of time and end up costing you a lot of money. And the last and final thing is environment is everything. Trading is not something that I truly believe is easy to do alone, because it is a mental battle. And sometimes in order to overcome some of the mental battles that you face in life, you need people around you who have already overcame them. You need people around you who are already in the process as well, who can actually pull you forward and pull you out of some of the ruts that you actually may fall into through your journey as a trader. So the journey of becoming a successful trader isn't about rushing. It's about putting yourself in a position to learn the right way to get the right results. Go ahead and watch the video overview and leave any comments, questions, or concerns in the comment section below. And I cannot wait to see you guys on the inside within our community. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.